Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and this topic has been going around for a long time, but I'm in general not a fan of dairy. If you think about it, I want to know who's the first one that walked up, looked at a cow's udder and went, I got to try some of that. But we are the only mammal that continues to drink milk after it's weaned. But that being said, dairy has been well researched over the years, and there's been a lot of misconception. In general, the whole skim milk, low-fat milk is not the way to go. The data generally suggests that whole-fat milk is going to be better at fighting off diabetes. And if you're going to do fermented milk products or yogurt, obviously yogurt would fall into that, and cheeses. Low-fat milk is off the American cheese. If you're going to stick with cheeses, make sure they're lighter colored. They're going to have less saturated fat. But milk can potentially be part of a